Hello students. Now I am going to explain female reproductive system, the continuation of the chapter reproduction of class 10. In my last video I have explained male reproductive system. So as I have done in the last video, in this video also I am going to ask you some questions at the last of my video to make you aware or to ensure that you understand. You have to give your answer. So let us start, and I also request you to watch this video till the last so that you can understand everything clearly. This topic, these topics what is going on, they are very important topics. These are very important topics. Usually 20% questions जो हैं इस चैप्टर से जरूर आते हैं बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन में, चाहे वो ICSE बोर्ड हो चाहे वो CBSE बोर्ड हो. This topic or this chapter, from this chapter some questions usually it comes. एंड आई एम श्योर कि ये वीडियो देखने के बाद आप बिल्कुल समझ जाएंगे इस पूरे सिस्टम को, एंड इट विल ऑल्सो हेल्प यू टू मेक योर ओन नोट्स ऑल्सो. You can make your own notes also. So let us start this chapter, this topic also, female reproductive system. So once again, I would start with the organs which are involved in this system. मैंने male reproductive system में भी आपको बताया था कि इसमें कुछ organs direct role play करते हैं for the process of reproduction, और कुछ organs जो होते हैं वो accessories होते हैं जो कि help करते हैं. They are not directly involved, but they help for this process. So let us go through one by one. First I am going to give you the names of the parts, names of the organs of this system. What are these parts? The first one is ovary. What is the first one? The first one is ovary. Second one we can say that oviduct, or we can also say that उसका एक और नाम है fallopian tube. What is that? Fallopian tube भी इसे कहते हैं. Then after fallopian tube there is a uterus, फिर है uterus, then vagina, and then first we should write urethra, and then vagina. So these are the parts of this system, female reproductive system. One more thing is there, just like male reproductive system, some glands are there, some secretions, important secretions are there, not glands, some important secretions are there which are helpful in this system, in this process. So let's start one by one, the structure and function of the different parts of female reproductive system. See, this is what the structure of ovary. You can say these finger-like projections are there. The name I am going to write one by one to make you understand properly. Yes, and here ovary is found. Oval shaped in structure, ovary is found. Yes. So this is this finger-like projections, you can say, no, just like this structure. This is we can say oviductal funnel. We can say, yes, this is, and this is what oviduct. What do we mean by this? Oviduct is you know well, where the egg comes for the process of fertilization, and this part is no, this is what ovary. And this part is uterus. This is what called vagina, and this the part known as urethra. So these all are the parts of female reproductive system. We know well, मैंने आपको पहले भी समझाया है कि हमारे गर्ल्स बाय बर्थ उनकी ओवरी में एग्स होते हैं, but not matured. They start maturing at the age of puberty. What is this puberty? That I have explained in my video. Okay, you please go through secondary sexual characters and primary sex organs. You'll understand everything. So at the age of puberty, the secretion of oestrogen start. The secretion of oestrogen, or you can say oogenesis. The process of oogenesis start. What is this process of oogenesis? Formation of ova. Formation of ova. What is this formation of ova? Ova is already formed but not mature. पर वो मेच्योर नहीं होते, तो उनका जो है ना फॉर्मेशन शुरू होता है ओवरी में. When at the age of puberty, when oogenesis start, and when this oogenesis start when a girl become when the girl is at the stage of puberty. Okay, so let us go through. You know, that's ovary में दो फंक्शन होते हैं. एक तो formation of egg, and at the same time means what, oogenesis and secretions of hormones, progesterone and estrogen. If we go through the magnification of the structure of this ovary, you know what is the meaning of this oogenesis? Oogenesis means formation of egg, or you can say that the maturation of egg. This is what the structure of the wall of the ovary, which undergoes the process of oogenesis, in which this immature egg gets covered. ये एक कवरिंग डेवलप करता है oogenesis प्रोसेस के समय, और यहाँ पे एग इस कवरिंग के अंदर थोड़ी देर के लिए आता है for the process of maturation. You know what it is called? This covering is called follicle. इस कवरिंग को हम क्या कहते हैं? फॉलिकल कहते हैं. And what do we say this? And inside this follicle, fluid is found. There is a fluid and egg. And what is found there? Egg. And completely it is known as Graafian follicle. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Graafian follicle. ये function होता है. At the time of oogenesis, this functions takes place. You know what happened? Here eggs get matured inside the follicle. Eggs mature करता है, और इस maturation के बाद what happens? You know, this eggs get released. This egg gets released. एग रिलीज कर देता है. ग्राफिन फॉलिकल को रप्चर करके एग जो है वो रिलीज हो जाता है. और ये जो बचे हुए पार्ट्स हैं, जो पार्ट्स बच जाते हैं एग्स के बाहर आने के बाद, जो पार्ट बच गया उसे हम कहते हैं कॉर्पस ल्यूटियम. What do we say? We say corpus luteum. What is the function of this corpus luteum? The function of this corpus luteum is to secrete progesterone. यही है जो कि प्रोजेस्टेरोन हार्मोन रिलीज करता है for the preparation of uterus at the time of carrying baby in the womb. This is what is called progesterone. तो मैंने आपको बताया कि ये this process of breaking of Graafian follicle and coming out of egg is known as ovulation. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? इसे हम ovulation कहते हैं. Means what? Releasing out the ova, mature ova from ovary is what called? This is called ovulation. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Ovulation. When the wall of ovary undergoes this process, this whole process, this is oogenesis. This is what? Oogenesis. और प्रोजेस्टेरॉन कहाँ से जब एग रिलीज कर जाता है ग्राफियन फॉलिकल से, तो बचे हुए पार्ट्स को हम कॉर्पस ल्यूटियम कहते हैं, और ये कॉर्पस ल्यूटियम प्रोजेस्टेरॉन देता है. आई होप यू पीपल अंडरस्टैंड द स्ट्रक्चर. देन व्हाट हैपन? जब ये एग ओव्यूलेशन के प्रोसेस के द्वारा रिलीज होता है, देन they are captured, or you can say they are taken by the finger like projections umbilical funnel. Right now I told you. तो ये प्रोसेस होता है, यहाँ पे इस एग को ये कैच करते हैं, and then this egg slowly it goes to oviduct. Where it wait for the process of fertilization. What is this fertilization? Fusion of male and female gametes. To form zygote. So where is the fertilization takes place? Fertilization जो होता है वो oviduct में होता है. It's okay. Then where do the eggs go? If fertilization takes place, then what does it forms? It gets converted into zygote. Zygote का formation होता है. The first cell of the life. The very first cell of the life. तो इस zygote के formation के बाद, the zygote goes to the uterus. This zygote goes to the uterus and fixed itself in the wall of uterus. वो अपने आप को यूट्रस के वॉल में फिक्स कर लेता है बिल्कुल. एंड यू नो it remains here till it is formed to a fully grown baby inside the mother womb for 9 months. ये फीमेल के यूट्रस में 9 मंथ्स के लिए रहता है जब तक ये फुल्ली ग्रोन बेबी में बेबी के फॉर्मेशन में ना आ जाए. हाँ, then this formation, this zygote, this uterus is a flexible bag-like structure. As the बेबी ग्रो, जैसे जैसे बेबी ग्रो करता है यूट्रस का शेप भी चेंज होता जाता है. मैंने अभी बताया कि वह फ्लेक्सिबल बैग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है. देन दिस यूट्रस, द सेम जाइगोट व्हेन बिकम फुल्ली ग्रोन बेबी, देन इट इज released out, or then it goes near the urethra, and then it is released out through the vagina. And this process is called parturition. हाँ, कमिंग आउट ऑफ बेबी थ्रू वजाइना इज व्हाट कॉल्ड पार्टुरेशन. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? पार्टुरेशन. और ये जो कंप्लीट फॉर्मेशन ऑफ जाइगोट टिल द कंप्लीट फॉर्मेशन ऑफ बेबी, दिस होल पीरियड इज कॉल्ड जेस्टेशन पीरियड. यू नो, formation of zygote to the fully grown up baby in the uterus in the mother womb, this period is called gestation period. What do we say? We say gestation. हम इसे जेस्टेशन पीरियड कहते हैं. आई होप यू पीपल अंडरस्टूड दिस फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम. मैं अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको बताऊंगी कि हाउ दिस फर्टिलाइजेशन टेक्स प्लेस, हाउ मच टाइम डज इट टेक, एंड व्हाट हैपन इफ फर्टिलाइजेशन डजंट अकर. क्या होता है जब फर्टिलाइजेशन नहीं होता है? तो एग कहाँ जाता है? 2 ओवरी क्यों है हमारे फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम में? इनका क्या काम है? जब एक एग हमारे आते हैं ओविडक्ट में, तो फिर ये 2 ओवरी क्या ये दोनों रिलीज करते हैं एग को? ये सारी चीज़ें मैं अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में फर्टिलाइजेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन I'll make you understand. It's okay. So now let us go through the question part. What are the questions? So tell me, what do you mean by oogenesis? And why ovary is also called a heterocrine gland? What is this corpus luteum? And name the hormone which is produced by corpus luteum. The number of ovaries present in female reproductive system. What is this oviducal funnel? What is the function of uterus? What do you mean by gestation period? What do you mean by gestation period? And what is parturition? ये parturition क्या है? What do you mean by Graafian follicles? What is this Graafian follicles? It's okay. And what is the definition of ovulation? How can you define this ovulation? There are lots of questions. अगर मैं इस सिस्टम से आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछूं तो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं, लेकिन अगर आपने इन सभी क्वेश्चंस का जवाब दिया, then I'm sure that you have watched this video very carefully. So thank you all of you. Wait for the next video and don't forget to subscribe the channel and like this video. Thank you all of you.